Now, the Projects tab had a number of functions, but one of the most important functions that you can use with the Projects tab is to create an audiobook from your manuscript. What you will notice about the speech synthesis screen is that you have a maximum of 5,000 characters. If you were to put your entire text in this area, you would run up against a limit from 11 Labs. And indeed, if you paste the text in, 11 Labs will tell you that you've reached the limit and that if you want to generate audio for longer text, the site recommends you use the Projects tab instead. So in this case, we're going to go over to the Projects tab and we're going to click on Create a New Project. Now you can create a new project from a document that's already in existence. You can create one from a URL, or you can start with an empty project. If you have an existing PDF, you can upload your document here in this area. So if we click on this button and we click Next, we can give our project a name. You'll need to choose a default voice. Now, this is the point at which you want to make sure that you understand which voice you're going to be using. And in this case, we're going to choose a reliable AI voice. We're going to use the recommended model. What you're going to notice here is that you can request that you do additional quality. Standard quality does go with the middle tier plan. If you want to increase that quality, you can. And you can do that by going to high quality or ultra high quality. And one of the things that you'll notice about using either one of those designations is that your character cost is going to be higher. So every time that you generate characters in either the high or ultra high plan, you're going to use more characters with each time that you generate audio. So this is an important point for you to know about the Projects tab inside of 11 Labs. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.